Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use YouTube on your Apple Watch. While there isn't an official YouTube application, several excellent third-party options allow you to enjoy videos directly on your wrist. You can also effortlessly manage YouTube playback on your iPhone using your watch as a remote. We will explore both methods, ensuring you can access your favorite content wherever you are, whether streaming directly or controlling from afar. To watch videos directly on your watch, first download a third-party app such as WatchTube or WristTube from the App Store. Once installed, open the app on your watch to browse trending videos or search for specific content. You can play videos right on your wrist, with audio coming from the watch's speaker or connected Bluetooth headphones. Use the digital crown to easily control volume and navigate through the video timeline. Your Apple Watch also serves as a convenient remote for YouTube playing on your iPhone. When a video is active on your phone, the Now Playing interface should automatically appear on your watch. From there, you can effortlessly pause, play, skip forward or backward, and adjust the volume. To ensure this feature works seamlessly, check that Auto Launch Audio Apps is enabled within the Watch application on your iPhone. For the best YouTube experience on your watch, consider a few tips. Always connect Bluetooth headphones for superior audio and privacy, as the watch's speaker is small. A strong Wi-Fi or cellular connection is crucial for smooth streaming and minimal buffering. Be mindful of battery consumption, as video playback can drain power quickly. Finally, explore the settings within your chosen third-party app for options like adjusting caption size or customizing your video feed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.